Hey guys, today I'm going to make some turkey leg sloppy joes. So let's get crocking. I've got a turkey leg here. I made this yesterday to try the recipe out and I thought it was pretty good. So there was 2 turkey legs in this package, $3.49 per pound. They were 2.56 pounds, so $8.93 for these 2 turkey legs. First thing I'm going to do is rinse this in warm water and pull the skin off. That looks good. I pulled the skin back the best I could, then used the kitchen scissors to trim around the lower part by the bone there. Now I'll season it with some kosher salt. I've already done the bottom side. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper, besides pepper that says sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. That looks good. Now I'll add a can of Manwich Sloppy Joe sauce. I've used this in other recipes, but hadn't done it with turkey before. Like I said, I tried this yesterday and I thought it turned out good. So get that can of Sloppy Joe sauce in there. This is a 15-ounce can, so if you used 2 turkey legs, I would probably use 2 cans. And then I cut up 1 onion, so I'll just kind of spread that around there. If you don't like onions, you could leave the onion out. And I'm going to cook this on high for about 4 hours. If you do it on low, probably about 8 hours. It's been 3.5 hours. I'm going to check on this. Well, it's pulling away from the bone there. And actually, it looks like that it will shred right off the bone. So I think that's done. I'm just going to turn it off right there. Turkey legs have these little bones that run through them like that, so I can just kind of pull all those out of there. Just kind of shred the meat off of there, and I'll mix it all together and see how that shreds apart. Just mix it all into the sauce. That looks good. Now I'll just put it on some bread. I just used some white bread and throw a little cheese on top there. Anyway, let's try a bite here. That's good. I like it with turkey. Annie showed up. I guess we better let her try it. You want to try a bite, Annie? I'll try not to give you any onions here. You can have some meat and cheese. There you go. I guess it's Annie approved. Normally you make sloppy joes with ground beef, but it was kind of good with turkey like that. Something a little different. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.